my son has ADHD. He cannot focus, and he always has anxiety.
No problem, ma'am. That's your son?
Oh, hi, Doc. I'm practicing to weakening my focus muscle more by letting my brain getting sucked in by fast-changing stimuli.
That has nothing to do with your son's low amount of focus. It's a condition. We have to prescribe drugs. I mean medication.
Doctor, isn't there therapy to naturally get rid of my son's anxiety and increase his focus?
Ma'am, how am I supposed to make money? I mean, help your son.
Doctor, are you saying you're making money from prescribing medication?
Of course not. Just because medical companies spend between $2.1 and $2.2 billion a year on our travels, expenses, meals, consulting, that doesn't have an effect on my judgment.
But doctor, this chemical will change my son's brain. Isn't there a natural way to help him?
You need to quiet down a little bit, ma'am. King of Kings energy and the alien already... Here we go. Hi, Doc. Good to see you again. Hey, ma'am. Hi, kiddo.
Mom, that's so cool. An alien.
Little human to alien, you are alien.
Doctor, why is there an alien, a very handsome young man in your practice?
Ma'am, they're gonna help you from here. I'm not gonna get blasted again by some alien lasers.
Alien sad because he wanted to try out new blaster.
Alien, we're not blasting anyone today. Ma'am, we're gonna help you with your son.
So you're saying there's a way?
Yes, ma'am. Dr. Alien, go ahead.
Ma'am, little human can train focus without medication, and it will make little human's character stronger to be successful in the world.
What? I thought the anxiety, the lack of focus, and the ADHD are a mental disorder.
Funny human again. Inability to focus and handle emotions like anxiety is direct effect of neglecting mental and emotional skills. Look at child. Oh, let me follow my brain's pleasure on every app so I'm not the boss of my brain and my brain tells me what to do. Being pulled in by fast-moving pleasures is ruining child's focus. And child is avoiding emotion of boredom and anxiety with distraction. So child is training emotional weakness.
Oh, he abandoned his painting project and his running practice because he said it's too much boredom and discomfort.
Yes, but doing what we value with any emotions and staying with projects longer is training our emotional fitness and our focus.
That makes so much sense.
Mom, the alien is right. I'm avoiding boredom and anxiety with this.